Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your device supports Face ID and iOS is updated. Once that's confirmed, enable Face ID in settings and verify it unlocks the phone. In Xcode, add a clear NS Face ID usage description in info. List and include the necessary entitlement. This tells the App Store and users why you need biometrics. You do these steps now so the app can request Face ID permissions later without being rejected. Make sure to run a quick device unlock test before moving on. You implement Face ID using LA context from local authentication. First call can evaluate policy to confirm biometric availability, then call evaluate policy with a user-facing reason. Once done, handle success and all LA error branches. User cancel, fallback to passcode, not enrolled, so the app degrades gracefully. Test on a physical device. Try different passcodes, enroll multiple faces, and simulate a Face ID reset. Doing detailed tests avoids edge case crashes and ensures App Store reviewers see a robust bio. You finish by archiving and submitting a build with the correct entitlements and matching info. List usage strings. This prevents automated rejects. Once uploaded, use test flight and include notes describing how Face ID is used and how reviewers can trigger it. If something goes wrong, first check entitlement profiles, exact info. List key names and that the test device has Face ID enrolled. If problems persist, reproduce the issue with logs and provide clear reproduction steps in App Store Connect so the review team can validate fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.